We the blade, we the blade, we the blade, we the blade, we the blade.
If I get a good reaction, then I can get myself in the race, even if my first couple steps are not quick. Keep your body forward, keep your head down, and let's keep driving, driving, driving. Get tall, it's all about getting tall. Straight, knees up, shoulders down. 50 meters is when I check, and just glance left, glance right. I may start listening to the crowd, listening to the cheers. 60 meters, that's when I become a beast, really. That's when I start to dominate a race. Majority of the time I can tell from probably 60, 70 meters if I'm going to win the race, because last 10, 15 meters of a race, I start checking again. Check to the right, check to the left. Can I stop running? 10 meters, that's when I determine if I've won, because last 10 meters, you're not going to catch me. No matter who you are, no matter what you're doing, no matter how focused you are, no matter how ready you think you are, you're not going to catch me, because that last 10 meters is going to take me 3.5 strides to pass the finish line. And this is where the glory begins. It's when you pass the finish line, I do what I want. Celebrate to the world, do crazy stuff, but that's when the crowd love me, because I put my flavor to it. I make them love and enjoy me. I love DJing. I love music. What's your dream playlist?
This should be played at high volume.
Me, myself, right, and then I, and then myself, and me. I couldn't tell this one about I, but myself, and then me. Beware the me-moms.
Go on the bottom to the top. Everybody wanna be somebody. Giving everything to get a shot to give a little bit of face time. Go on the bottom to the top. Everybody wanna be somebody. But what if I told you, somebody knows, yeah. They say racks on racks on racks on racks, huh? I bet they never told you about that tax on tax, huh? Tasha ain't got tracks on tracks, so I put a rap to it. Back to it with a passion to use it for the movement instead of on my back. If you wanna shame where you at, woo, this kingdom's already, but not yet. We ready, we on deck. Come and get us, Maranatha. They ask me how I'm doing, I say better than I deserve. Cause I got the medicine, I was in sick, now I'm walking upright like Swerve. Woo. Go on the bottom to the top. Everybody wanna be somebody. Giving everything to get a shot to give a little bit of face time. Go on the bottom to the top. Everybody